What's up, everyone? We thought we'd give you a quick update on the drywall patch and give you a look at how it turned out. If you want to check out how we did the patch, we'll put a link at the top right here. So what we did is we dabbed the wall with a paintbrush to kind of blend the texture, and then we rolled it with a 3/8 inch nap roller, and it turned out pretty well.
Hey guys, I'm Haley. I'm the better half to Dub It Yourself. In this clip, we're going to be covering the wall that has the most surface area of the entire room. And what we started off doing, which I don't have a video of, is taping the trim as well as the outlets after removing the plastic covers. So what you want to do here is take your cutting brush and go along the edges of the crown molding as well as your taped edges of your trim, and you're going to want to cover those first because that's kind of the hardest part. And then you're going to take your rolly brush and you're just going to go over the brush strokes so that it all kind of blends evenly. And so here we are doing the same thing around the window. Everything's painted. So fun fact about this wall is that I ran out of blue painter's tape in the middle of taping the ceiling, and my husband was out for the morning and I wasn't about to leave to go get new painter's tape. So I worked with what I had and I did the bottoms, the molding around the ceiling, which is absolutely not what you're supposed to do. But I was able to get it done. He came back, got me some painter's tape, and we cut the ceiling. Also, remember that it's incredibly important to peel your tape off while your paint is still wet. Otherwise, your paint is going to dry to the tape and peel off the wall while you're peeling the tape off the wall. Learn the hard way. Here's our incredible display of teamwork. We removed the TV. We don't ever want to remove the TV mount, so we taped around that as well as taped around the outlet. Jeff is cutting the ceiling, and then we just start painting, and it's our last and final wall, and we're so excited to get this done so we can put everything together, the end of a great project. This beige color was so beautiful and woven in every room throughout our home. But when we bought this house, we had every intention of making it our own, and that's exactly what we did. We painted the big room with the color that we felt spoke to our personalities the most, which apparently is dark, but it ended up working out for us because the room has so much natural light, and we think that our little fur baby really loved it too. This was such a fun project, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and hopefully this brought a little inspiration for you guys. We'll see you next time.